Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you egg, herb, vegetable toast. You're gonna need bread, cucumber, egg, spinach, and salt. Visit JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. First, wash vegetables well. To do this, put vegetables in a bowl. Drizzle several drops of distilled white vinegar, or you could just use 1 teaspoon of salt. Add enough water. Use your fingers. Rub the vegetables skin clean. After that, give it a final rinse. It's best if you do this part under fresh running water. This is it. Put it aside for later. Now, slice thin cucumber wheels. Do not peel the cucumber. Next, toast bread. If you don't have a toaster, you can do like me. Put a skillet to heat or frying pan. Put the stove gauge on low. Put the bread on the heating skillet. Allow it to toast on one side for between 5 minutes. This would be much faster if you add a toaster. This is how you know if the egg is good. Put it on a hard surface. Spin it. If it spins and stay one place, it's good. You could smell it. If you smell a little funk, it's not good. Next, fry egg the way you like it. Put a skillet to heat. Ensure that it's dry. Make sure no water is in it. Allow it to get hot. 30 seconds between a minute. After that, add cooking oil. Add enough oil to cover the surface. Put the stove gauge on 3, low. Allow the oil to get hot. After 40 seconds between a minute and the cooking oil is hot enough that you can see a little smoke, crack egg. Add egg to the heating oil. Sprinkle pinch of salt on the frying egg. Allow the egg to fry good. Allow it to fry the way you like it. I like when my fried egg is well done. The fire is just below the low flame. The stove's flame is on 3. After a minute and it's golden on the edges, you could just remove it now. I like to fry both sides of my egg. That is why I am flipping the frying egg. Flip the egg. On this side, I am allowing it to fry 40 seconds. Use a spatula. Remove egg from the heating oil. Next, dress the egg sandwich. Put the toast bread on plate. Put spinach on the bread. Put on top sliced cucumbers. Put on top that fried egg. Sprinkle herbal powder on top or herbal flakes. You can use any kind of herbs. Dress the sandwich. Enjoy. This is egg, herb, vegetable toast. Visit JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. You should try making this toast sandwich yourself. When you do, give us feedback. Surprisingly, egg tastes good with cucumbers and spinach. You should try it. The toast bread is making this sandwich firm. The flavor of egg mixed with these vegetables is interesting. You're not tasting just egg. The flavor is this blend of uniqueness. Until next time, bye.
Yeah, man!